because you are training in the wrong way. How many times did I tell you both to use the training principles? Listen carefully. So this is our training principles. So when we talk about specificity, it is the type of training that you will do. No? So based on the sports that you will be playing. So overload means is the number or the frequency of the training that you will be gonna do. Next is progression. So progression means the more you practice, the more bigger the number of the training you will be going to do. Then next is individuality. Not all training works for all people. So individuality means you will discover the type of training that you will conduct for your own self. Next is variation. There are a lot of different types of training techniques that you will be gonna do. Next is recovery. Recovery means it doesn't mean that you will practice or you will do training all days in the week. Meaning there is 2 days or 1 day that is for your resting days. Next is adaptation. Adaptation means it is you adapt the skills that you have get from your training. So that is our training principle. Did you get it? Train for your actual sport. We call that specificity. If you want to improve, you must push your limits. We call that overload. No, that's too much. Progression means improving little by little. So try adding 1 jump each day. Stop. Not all training works for everyone. You should imply to yourself individuality. We call that choose your own way that's best for you. Also change your training tactics. Variations make training fun and more effective.
No food? I want to train more.
No, bad idea. Recovery is part of training. You must eat, rest, and stretch your... Overtime allows your body to adapt and improve more.